Welcome to the ultimate guide to making money online, everything you need to know. In this video, we will explore various methods and strategies for generating income through the internet. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to create a full-time online business, this guide will provide you with the knowledge and resources to succeed. To start our journey, let's delve into the different online income opportunities available. From freelancing and selling products to affiliate marketing and creating digital courses, we will discuss each option in detail, highlighting the potential earnings and skill requirements. Having an online presence is crucial for making money online. In this scene, we will explore the importance of building a professional website or blog, establishing a strong social media presence, and leveraging popular online platforms to reach your target audience. Now that you have established your online presence, it's time to monetize it. We will discuss various monetization strategies such as advertising, sponsored content, sponsored posts, and creating digital products or services. Discover the pros and cons of each method and learn how to maximize your earnings. Once you start making money online, it's important to explore opportunities for scalability. This scene will cover tips and techniques for expanding your online business, including outsourcing, automating processes, and diversifying your income streams. Unlock the potential to earn even more and achieve financial freedom. Congratulations! You've reached the end of the ultimate guide to making money online, everything you need to know. Armed with the valuable insights and strategies shared in this video, you are well equipped to embark on your journey towards financial success. Explore the methods discussed, adapt them to your preferences, and always stay committed to achieving your goals.